Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a SharePoint list using Perplexity Comet Browser's Assistant. So here in this SharePoint site I'm going to create a SharePoint list with the name employee details. So in this employee details we need some columns here. So I instructed uh, Comet Assistant here to create those 5 columns. Let's see how it will create. First I'm creating a SharePoint list with employee details. Okay, so this is a agentic mode in the browser, we can say. Okay, so now it's created. I created now employee details, and the default column is title. And let's take the help of Comet browser now. So I'm using the assistant now on the right hand side. So here let me give a prompt to this assistant here about creating the 5 columns in SharePoint list. So I'm just instructing this Comet assistant to create 5 columns. So let's see how it is going to create all these 5 columns now. So now it is analyzing, this Comet assistant is analyzing like how where it's need to create these particular things. Okay, it started here. Okay, so here it's creating now. It started creating things. Okay, it started creating all the columns, required columns for this employee details. So based on the list name, it's creating these because it's some intelligence is involved in this LLM. So it is creating based on the SharePoint list name itself all the columns, required columns here. So let's wait and see. Okay, it's now creating the third column. It's already created 2 columns, employee ID and name. So it's creating the third column now. So finally it is going to create the status. I think it will give the status column here now. uh, so this is a final column uh, getting created by Perplexity Comet Assistant here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.